Your BMW's paint code can be found in many places. The location can vary between the body styles and era of manufacture. Also, in some situations, your paint code placard may have been removed, or the placard may have become non-legible over time and use. The very first place you should look is inside the driver's door jamb. As depicted in this video, classic models have a paint code placard on the driver's door strut tower as well. However, it is labeled in German. Modern BMW models have the manufacturer's ID placard in the driver's door jamb. BMW classic vehicles have a paint code on the driver's door side strut tower.
ReadyCarPaints.com is the cutting edge in color matching technology. Ready Car Paints delivers performance you can count on and expert service you can trust. Visit us today at ReadyCarPaints.com.